Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access Kraken's staking pools. Kraken offers a straightforward way to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings. By participating in staking, you can grow your portfolio passively. We'll guide you through the process of finding and utilizing these earning opportunities directly within your Kraken account, making it simple to start. To begin, log into your Kraken account and navigate to the Earn tab. Here, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies for staking. Select the asset you want to stake, such as Polkadot or Ethereum. Then, simply enter the desired amount and confirm your selection. Kraken will then process your request, and your assets will begin earning rewards. Once staked, your assets will start generating rewards, which are usually paid out periodically. If you decide to unstake, be aware that there might be a lockup period, which can range from a few days to several weeks depending on the asset. Kraken clearly displays these details, ensuring you understand the process before committing your funds. Staking on Kraken provides an excellent opportunity to earn passive income from your cryptocurrency holdings. It's important to review the estimated annual percentage yield, or APY, for each asset to understand potential returns. Also, always consider the unstaking duration, as your funds will be locked for that period. This helps you make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.